In this video, I'm going to show how you can easily delete Google account on your iPhone or Android device. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's begin, and first off open up any web browser. I'll use Chrome, then go to google.com. And then first of all, you need to log into your account. Once you did that, tap at your profile picture, and then select Manage your Google account. You will be taken to this page where you should stop at Data and Privacy, and then just scroll down to the very bottom, where you can easily find Delete your Google account. Just stop on it. It will ask you to enter your current password. To verify it's you, just enter your password in that text field and then hit on Next. You will be taken to the space where you can download your data before deleting your account. If you want, you can stop right here and save all your data from Google account. And then you can just scroll down for a bit and check. Mark all of these two options. And then if you want to delete that account, just hit at that button, and now it says that your Google account and all its data have been deleted. If you accidentally deleted your Google account, you have a short amount of time to try to recover it. If you want to recover your account, hit at that button. Now you can write down in the comments if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.